Are you ready to try something new in your life? Make a meaningful change? Well, let's do it together on this episode of Emotional Wellness Minute. Ever see somebody make a New Year's resolution that they can't sustain? Well, that's most of us. We tend to have an optimistic bias about how good we are at doing something, including setting goals and making changes. It can lead to a lot of ups and downs. One of the most important things is that change occurs over time. It's gradual and it requires consistent, small steps forward. This requires us setting aside our really lofty goals and not being perfectionistic. We need to give ourselves permission to start small and acknowledge that we might just be beginning, or even if we're not just beginning, that we're not where we want to be at. And that's okay. You're human. So frame your goals really specifically and in a way that if somebody else had a checklist of your goals, that they would know exactly what you meant. They would know what you're going to do and when you're going to do it. So they can answer the question yes or no, did you meet your goals? By writing it down in that way, you can review things later to check progress. If it's not going quite as smoothly as you'd like, you can always come back to your goals and make them even more realistic. If you like today's tip, please like and subscribe.